Question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. I have taken, let the marks in mathematics is X and English marks I have taken as Y. According to the question, it is given to you, sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So, X plus Y, sum they asked, so X plus Y which is equal to what? 30. So, I can write it, X is equal to plus Y goes outside minus Y. So, 30 minus Y. The next one, another statement it is given to you. She got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. Product of their marks is 210 given to you. So, 2 marks more in mathematics. So, what? X plus 2. Mathematics marks is X I have taken. 2 marks more, that why X plus 2. And 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less in English. English marks what you have taken as Y. Less 3 marks, so minus 3. Product of their marks, product means what? Multiplication, is equal to 210 given to you. This is given in your question. See, in a place of X I can write it 30 minus Y plus 2 as it is Y minus 3 equal to 210. Yes, minus Y plus 32. Y minus 3 equal to 210. Minus Y into Y is minus Y square. Minus Y into minus 3 is plus 3Y. Plus 32 into Y is 32Y. 32 into minus 3, that is what? 96. Minus 96 equal to 210. Yes. Minus Y square goes outside. Plus Y square. Plus 3Y plus 32Y. Altogether it will give you plus 35Y. Goes outside minus 35Y. Okay. Then minus 96 goes outside plus 96. So 210 plus 96 is what? Plus 603. 306 equal to 0. Now I am going to use middle term splitting method. Now use up in multiplication what you need? 306. In addition what you need? Minus 35. Okay. Such kind of numbers I am going to write it here. I am using prime factorization to get the values. 306. It can be divisible by 2. So this is what? 153. It can be divisible by 3. So 51. It can be divisible by 3 again. This is what? 17. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 3, 18. Yes, 18 and 17. See here, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18 and 17. It will give you what? 35. So I am keeping 18 and 17 here. In addition, what I need? Minus 35, so that I am keeping negative sign in both the numbers. Okay, so that in addition you will get minus 35, multiplication you will get 306. So Y square, this minus 35Y, I am writing minus 18Y minus 17Y plus 306 equal to 0. In these two terms what is common? Y, take it out. So Y minus 18 is left over. In these two terms what is common? Minus 17 is common. So take it out. So Y minus 18 will be left over equal to 0. Y minus 18 is common factor, so I have taken out. What is left over? Y minus 17 equal to 0. Each factor you have to equate with 0, so Y minus 18 equal to 0. Y equal to what? Plus 18. y minus 17 is equal to 0, so that you will get y equal to what? Plus 17. Okay. I need to find out the marks of mathematics as well as English. English marks you can get it, x is equal to 30 minus y. So I am going to keep both the values in this equation. Equation number 1 I marked. If y equal to 18 in equation number 1, you will get x is equal to 30 minus 18. It will give you 12 marks. If marks of English is 18, marks of mathematics will be what? 12. If y equal to 17 in equation number 1, both cases are possible here. So x is equal to 30 minus 17. You will get 13 marks. Okay. So x is equal to 12 when you keep y equal to 18. X is equal to 13 when you keep y equal to 17. Both cases are possible. At last you write the answer. If English marks is 18, mathematics marks is what? 12. If English marks is 17, then mathematics marks is what? 13. Thank you.